Hey, hello and welcome to the episode of Glam Rush channel. In this video, obviously I'll be talking about a cream that is gonna come from a brand of like one of my favorite brand from Dermdoc, and it is also an organic brand and it is a budget-friendly brand too. So the product I'll be talking as I have already reviewed the product of this Dermdoc face cream of salicylic acid, that was a night cream I think so, and also hydrolyzed collagen night cream. Now this is the one which is the niacinamide, and it contains niacinamide. It is basically for working for wrinkle lift or it works as an anti-aging in the case of aging. Now it has net weight 50 grams, which the packaging is, and the pricing of this is 300 rupees. So I have used this product and now I am reviewing it after using the product, because I don't review any product without using it myself and watching any visible result on my skin type. So I have used it, and what I feel I'll be sharing with you in this video, that the pricing like 50 grams for 300 rupees is worth it or not. So let's get started to this video, and thank you so much whoever have commented and requested for this video. Yeah, it takes me a little bit of time to like review any product, just because I tried myself, I see the effect on my skin type, then I disclose the result. And yeah, let's get started to this video. This is the outer packaging of Dermdoc, and so it's right here that wrinkle lift face cream with niacinamide, and the net weight of this is 50 grams. It is a paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free, that is not tested on animals. Dermdoc brings you authentic skincare solutions that are designed to nourish, hydrate and enrich your skin's overall health. With a range of products that cater to different skin types and different skin concerns, we focus on healing and balancing skin from within. We bring you for you clinically proven healthy chemical ingredients with our skincare products. Our products are paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free. Revive and safeguard your skin with Dermdoc. These are the claims the company does. The ingredient list is huge. They have given all the ingredients, not only the key ingredients, but they have written all the ingredients used in this product. The best ingredients is distilled waters and also glycerin. So as this is recommended for drier skin type, so glycerin being the base will make your skin more moisturized. Distilled water, glycerin, carbamide, ethylene ethylene diamine, tetraacetic acid, propylene glycol, potassium cetyl phosphate, glycerol, monostearate, light liquid, paraffin, cetyl alcohol, stearic acid, cyclopentasiloxane, and it's like phenyl trimethicone and dimethiconol, and alkyl benzoate and dimethicone, cross polymer, niacinamide, calcium pantothenate, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, tocopherol acetate, pyridoxine ACL, and maltodextrin, sodium starch octenyl succinate, silica, clairvoyancy, cyclopentasiloxane, and dimethicone, cross polymer, hydrogenated starch hydrolysate, ascophyllum nodosum extract, asparagus armata extract, and phenoxyethanol, or written in scientific names. And the best part of this is they write all the ingredients. The manufacturing and marketing details are given here. The customer care number is given here. The batch number and like the manufacturing is on 9/2019 and used before is 2022. So the pricing of this is 300 rupees, has a shelf life of 3 years, manufactured freshly in 9/2019 and has expiry on 8/2022, like 299 inclusive of all tax. And butter cream, the claims they have like a cream specially formulated with niacinamide to reduce wrinkles, fine lines and other sign of aging. Niacinamide tightens skin by restoring its lost elasticity, leaving you with silky smooth skin that feels soft all day. The cream is not only makes your skin firm but also hydrates in the skin for a radiant complexion. Dermdoc Wrinkle Lift cream is free from parabens and sulfur, suitable for normal to dry skin type. And people have normal, dry and extremely dry skin type can only use this as they recommend. But if you have a quite drier side of your face, like you can use it at night. If you have extremely oily skin like me, you can use it at night, but not for daytime. Best for drier skin types. Benefits: reduces wrinkles and fine lines, maintains elasticity of skin, boosts collagen production, fights signs of aging. The direction to apply is that the direction to use is that apply the cream on clean face, gently massage it in an upward and outward direction until fully absorbed. Recommended to use twice daily if you have dry skin type, obviously. Cautions: do not use this product on areas of scratches, eczema, dermatitis. Avoid contact with eyes. Discontinue use if signs of irritations or rashes appear. Keep out of reach of children. Store it at room temperature for external use only. So basically nothing else is written on the packaging of this, like on the container they have written only the key ingredients, and else everything is same, the claims and benefits and use and cautions. So it comes with this silver shiny cap as typical Dermdoc packaging, and also inner safety cover. And this is the cream. It is pure white in color. The smell is okay but not so good, not so bad, I will say. The collagen has a very worse smell. That is not. The cream is a little light in consistency, not light actually, I would say. The cream is little much more moisturizing, so in that case you should apply it and massage in your face. That makes it more proper to use. I have used it and I felt that you should use while you're massaging. So yeah, that was whatever written on the packaging. So if you have any allergy to any of these ingredients listed, so I have read all the ingredients, it's in every ingredients. Just because if you have any issue with any of the ingredients, then do not buy this product. And obviously if you have eczema and dermatitis on your skin and any issues like that, consult your physician before you use this product. So basically if I'm talking about this product, then it comes with a recyclable paper packaging, and there is a nice like white color, and nothing else comes with this. Oh yeah, it also comes with a transparent covering, that is a laminated packaging comes. So if you're buying it online, you won't be worried about whether like they have used the product, sent a used product or a proper product, which is generally new. So inside the packaging you will be getting this typical Dermdoc cream packaging, which I have already shared in salicylic acid and also in hydrolyzed collagen. So you will get that typical kind of packaging here. Dermdoc comes with this blue color, I think navy blue color packaging, so the product inside doesn't get affected with the sun rays during the daytime, because niacinamides reacts with sun or excess heat also. So it is better you don't keep your product near the sun or like near your window where there will be direct sunlight basically. So it comes with the inside packaging like safety, and this is a product I have used a lot of the product, and the smell of this is okay but not so good but not so bad. It is white in color, and the cream is little moisturizing when you are applying this, but gets absorbed in your skin very quickly. The consistency of the cream is not so thick, not so like less and not so diluted, and it feels a little moistured and greasy for a few minutes, and after that it just dries out. Even though I have extremely excess oily T-zone, I feel this product works well for me. and also I have oily skin type and some open pore issues in these areas, though I don't have a lot of wrinkles. But this product is an organic product, so organic product you're getting a brand which is providing it, and it is available online everywhere. Mainly in purple you will get a lot of discounts. And this product actually claims that it reduces wrinkles and fine lines, maintains elasticity in the skin, boosts the collagen production, fights signs of aging. So obviously it fights against signs of aging and also boost collagen production, because I have used their collagen night cream, also the hydrolyzed collagen night cream. I have also used collagen serums previously from the brand of CCC. If you want to see all those reviews, might be given in the description box below or I button above or at the end of this video, or you can check in our channel playlist. So basically what happens is collagen I have used, it works very nice for me in like feeling the skin supple and pulpy and glowing when in the morning, because that was a night cream. Now this is a face cream. This does not denote you to be a night cream or day cream. I have used it as a day and also as night cream. Both it works well. If you're doing makeup, then don't go with this cream during the day and during the night. Whenever if you're going for any makeup to be, and don't use this as any moisturizer or anything. First of all, this product won't give your makeup a better finish, and secondly, this product contains niacinamides which might react with any other product you are using for your makeup, and it might react and you might get allergic to this. First of all, using this kind of products which contains any acid, which contains any particular components or ingredients, the main ingredients, so you can you have to know the ingredient list, and you also have to know that whether you are affected to this particular ingredient or not. If that particular ingredient suits you, then well. If it doesn't suit you, you must try a patch test. This says that suitable for normal to dry skin. Then also where I felt that it worked for me. I have extremely oily skin, but for the daytime it was too much greasy for me to use like the summer and monsoon seasons. But during the night it became more easier to use this, because you just apply and sleep and your face will get recovered in the morning. For dry because from last a week I'm showing products for dry skin type, because many of you have told me that I have a product based on oily and extremely oily skin type, normal skin type mostly. So there was a lot of products I am showing only based on dry skin type. That was also a reason when I bought it. And I felt that dry skin people, this can do wonders. They can put during the daytime, during the night time they will use. This is an all-rounder cream, can be used at night and day. But if you have extremely cracky and dry skin type, you need at least 2 to 3 coat of this product. It doesn't mattify fully, but yeah, it works mattifying, I feel. Another important thing about the anti-aging properties, as it contains niacinamide into it, I felt that yeah, it works like an anti-aging. I have open pore areas. If I apply this at night and wake up in the morning and see that I feel the pores are more less visible, and I feel that my skin is more supple and pulpy and glowy. I don't know why, but it happened with me with all the Dermdoc products or creams, that whether it is a salicylic one for acne, but hydrolyzed collagen, in the morning you feel the suppleness, though they do not write about pulpy and supple and glowy skin, but it works nicely. I don't know, maybe any of the ingredient that is working like this, but it really works. Else I feel that one more thing that I feel about this product is that you can use it in a different, you can use it after obviously washing your face with a gentle face wash, but if you apply this as a massage, whenever you are applying this, you can use it as a massaging motion that will obviously circulate the blood circulation, and it will obviously help you in getting a more better skin, because I think the consistency of this cream is quite light towards the massage cream. So I previously reviewed a massage cream, so you can check it out. So I felt that it is like something you can massage at least for 2 to 3 minutes. So I actually applied it only without massaging. I applied it with massaging. When I applied it with massaging, I felt that it worked more and it gave you the supple and glowy skin in the morning, and I feel that yeah, it works in a better way. So though everyone's skin is different, everyone has different skin issues, different skin types, everyone has a unique skin type, but I feel that you can give it a try. If you have dry skin type, I think you will like it. And if dry skin people faces the most main issue that dry skin people faces is about aging, so having something that is organic, cruelty free, not tested on animals, can be used for your skin, and at least you can try and give it a try. That also gives you the anti-aging property, not only the moisturization that is required for the dry skin people, but also the anti-aging properties, because compared to oily skin, it hasn't seen that dry skin people gets more aging, like more quickly. I've talked about a lot of aging creams, or I mean anti-aging creams, so you can check those out in the description if you don't get it in our channel playlist. There are talking about a lot of moisturizers and many more creams in the last few weeks, so you can check those out. I feel dry skin people, if you have dry skin and you are also facing the issue of like you are about 18, 19, 20, 25, 26, I think many, as this is wrinkle lift cream, so I feel that I think people above 25 can also give it a try. So people above 18 can obviously give it a try. If you have dry skin type, it is very obvious that you will see the aging, premature aging very quickly, around mostly around 17, 18. You can give it a try. I feel because it's an organic product, it might work for you. So else, if you have sensitivity issues, you should do a patch test. There is no ingredients listed on this packaging where it is written that which might like harm you or something that is chemical based. Everything is organic based, and if you are using this, you can give it a patch test as I told earlier. So go for the product and try it out. It might do wonders to your skin if it suits you, because I don't have dry skin type, but it worked for me very nicely for as a night cream. Daytime it didn't work, that is a different issue. So yeah, that was all the review of this product. I rate it 9 out of 10, and I am really liking the product of this. So leave it tries and comment us below your opinion regarding this product and any other product reviews you wanted us to make in this channel, and any other video content. So you can request us in the comment section below. That is again I am saying that I'm very extremely sorry for whatever has like the comments and request comes for the product reviews, and I take a lot of time to review a product just because I have to purchase it, then I have to try on my skin, and I till when I don't see a visible result on my skin that can be good or bad, then I don't review the product. So I'm taking the time and making a full review for it. Yeah, that was all for this video. Hope you felt it a little helpful. If you did, then please hit on that like button that encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. Please share it with all your friends. To comment us below your opinion regarding this video or any other video content. Please subscribe to us, click the red subscribe button and also the bell icon, and also all notification on the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our videos. So that was all for this video. See you soon in next video. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and go ahead.